Welcome, 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 my aspiring virtual staff superstars. It is your sassy trainer, Miko, and I am here today to deliver some serious, enthusiastic, tough love. Look, if you're sitting there right now drowning in messy, disconnected digital chores, honey, you have absolutely come to the right place. In today's explainer, I'm going to give your daily workflow the ultimate, fabulous glow-up. We are stripping away all the boring tech jargon and introducing you to the pure magic of Zapier AI. So grab your notes, sit up straight, and let's get ready to transform the way you work forever. Okay, I need you to answer honestly. Are you still doing routine data entry by hand? Are you endlessly checking emails, copying and pasting data from one window to another, or manually typing out responses to customer feedback? Tragic. Seriously, it breaks my heart. This exhausting reality of manual, repetitive tasks is just draining your energy. And worse, it's stealing your fabulous free time. Consider this your much-needed intervention. We are going to banish that drudgery today, once and for all. So, here is our curriculum for today. 1. Welcome to the makeover. 2. What exactly is a Zap? 3. Meet Zapier AI. 4. Our step-by-step automation tutorial. And finally, 5. Real-world AI glow-ups. All right, Section 1. Welcome to the makeover. It is officially time to upgrade your workflow. Moving to Section 2. What exactly is a Zap? Let's take a look at the anatomy of automation. Listen, I want you to completely forget about scary code. A Zap is simply an automated workflow that connects your apps and does your repetitive work for you. And every single Zap is made up of just 2 delightfully simple parts. The whole thing starts with a trigger. Think of the trigger as the specific event that tells your Zap exactly when to wake up and start doing its chore. For example, getting a new email in your inbox? That's a trigger. And please remember this golden rule, my trainees. A Zap can only ever have one single trigger that starts it. It's the one spark that lights the fabulous fire of automation. Next up is the action. The action is the actual chore getting done. It's the task the Zap performs right after it's triggered. So for instance, if your trigger was getting a new email, your action might be sending a reminder message to your team in Slack. The trigger tells the Zap when to do something, and the action is what it actually does. And here is the absolute best part. While you can only have one trigger, you can stack as many of these actions as your gorgeous heart desires. Think about it. We are leaving behind manual data entry, recurring routines, and all that exhausting admin work. Honestly, it's giving burnout, honey. Instead, say hello to automated workflows, connecting your favorite apps, working silently behind the scenes, and giving you fabulous free time to focus on what actually matters. Basically, Zaps do the heavy lifting so you can do the high-level thinking. Which brings us to Section 3. Meet Zapier AI, the brain behind the beauty. So, we've talked about basic Zaps, right? But now we're transitioning into the AI era. Zapier AI isn't just a simple connection tool anymore. It is the ultimate automation layer for agentic systems. This means you aren't just moving data from point A to point B. You are using artificial intelligence to process, understand, and act on that data automatically. And the absolutely crucial point here is scale. 9,000. Zapier acts as the ultimate social butterfly of the internet. It connects to nearly 9,000 everyday applications that you already know and love. We are talking Slack, Gmail, Salesforce, HubSpot, Zendesk, you name it. Literally, if you use it for work, Zapier probably connects to it. But wait, it gets even better. 400. Zapier AI brings over 400 cutting-edge AI tools right into the mix. This includes massive powerhouses like OpenAI's ChatGPT. By combining those 9,000 everyday apps with 400 AI tools, you are making the apps you already use work way smarter, not harder. Inside the Zapier AI Toolkit, we have some really phenomenal tools. We've got AI workflows to integrate AI directly into your existing processes. We've got AI agents, where you can actually create your own autonomous assistants to handle specific tasks for you. And we've got AI chatbots, which automatically answer customer questions and resolve support tickets. Now listen to me closely. We are not going to get bogged down in the deep technical weeds of every single one of these features today. We will absolutely be doing separate explainers focusing on each of those later on. Today is all about understanding the big picture and getting you started right now. All right, Section 4, step-by-step automation tutorial. Let's get you glowing. I am shifting into do mode right now to show you exactly how to build your very first AI automation without touching a single line of scary code. I want you paying close attention to the details here. Let's start with method 1, using Zapier Copilot. This is pure magic, honestly. Step 1, you simply open the personalized Copilot assistant right inside Zapier. Step 2, you tell the Copilot exactly what automation you're trying to build using natural language. And by that, I mean plain, everyday English. You just type to it like you're texting a friend. You could literally type, hey, every time I get a new lead in Facebook lead ads, I want you to send a message to my sales team in Slack and then add a row to my Google Sheet. Step 3, you sit back, sip your coffee, and let the AI generate the perfect workflow for you from scratch. It builds the trigger, it builds the actions, and it lines the whole thing up. All you do is review it and hit turn on. Now, if you are a complete beginner and you want an incredible shortcut, let me introduce you to Method 2, the Templates library. You do not have to reinvent the wheel here. Step 1, go directly to the Zapier Templates library. Step 2, filter the hundreds of pre-built automations. You can search by your role, like HR or marketing, or by your specific use case, like lead management or customer support. Step 3, once you find the perfect one, say a template that uses AI to summarize long emails and drop the summary into your to-do list, you just click it, securely connect your accounts, and hit start. It is a completely ready-to-use template that fits your needs instantly. It's brilliant. Section 5, Real-World AI Glow-Ups. The results are in.
Look, I know what you're thinking. Miko, this sounds cute, but does it actually work in a real business? Let me tell you, honey, it does. In sales and marketing, teams aren't just collecting leads anymore. They are using Zapier AI to automatically qualify those leads, generate cross-channel reports, and even turn sales calls into coaching moments. Over in IT and support, they are automating entire help desks. They're using AI to triage inbound messages across different channels and resolve up to a massive percentage of tickets automatically, without a human lifting a finger. And for personal productivity, imagine having an AI summarize your messy inbox, provide voice summaries, and automatically prep you for your upcoming calls. This is about saving hundreds of hours and completely upgrading your daily life.
Now, I can see some of you aspiring virtual staff getting a little nervous about safety. Deep breaths. This cute AI magic comes with fierce built-in governance and control. Zapier gives IT teams central oversight to monitor all usage across an organization. You get AI guardrails to set strict policies on exactly how AI interacts with your company's data. They maintain massive enterprise-grade security standards like SOC 2, SOC 3, GDPR, and CCPA compliance. And for the big enterprises, there is an automatic AI model opt-out, which guarantees your private data is never used to train someone else's AI. It is completely safe, compliant, and totally under your control behind the scenes. And hey, if you don't want to take it from me, just ask Andrew Harding, the VP of Marketing at Slate Magazine. He says, what used to be overwhelming is now scalable. With Zapier, I don't have to choose between doing good work and doing a lot of it. That is the absolute goal here, people. You can securely scale your output and handle massive amounts of tasks without ever sacrificing the gorgeous quality of your work. So as we wrap up this fierce onboarding explainer, I want to leave you with a final provocative thought. Over 593 million AI tasks have already been automated on Zapier. Millions of boring, repetitive chores have just vanished into thin air. So the only question left for you is this. Are you ready to build your first Zap today? Stop doing data entry by hand. Embrace the makeover, use the Copilot, try out a template, and go get your fabulous free time back. See you next time, superstars.